Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are drawing some Kathak dance poses. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4, A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSMC experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your study of human figure and anatomy, composition skills and balance. For today's artistry trivia, who is a legendary Kathak dancer and choreographer from India, belonging to the illustrious lineage of the Kalkabin-Dating Gharana. Renowned for his unparalleled mastery of Kathak, he has received numerous accolades, including the Padma Vibhushan, India's second highest civilian award, for his contributions to Indian classical dance. Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. Let's start with some Kathak dance poses, which will help us in understanding the human figure in action. For the first sketch, our character is bending both legs and one arm in air and one near her body. To draw faces, use oval shapes. We will draw the torso using curved rectangle and the limbs using cylinders. Remember to keep the balance of the sketch in check, as this dance form requires a lot balance to perform. These are most helpful in understanding balance of the human body in action. Make sure you draw the proportions correctly, as well as it will make your sketch look more harmonious. Using an eraser, erase out the lines as shown. After that, let's get started on the details of the character, as this is a traditional dance form, so draw the details accordingly. Remember to mark points on the poses, which will help in adding details. The right hand is in the Kadari Mukh Mudra. Details like the sari, the ornaments, add to the beauty of this art form, so make sure to draw them carefully. Pause the video and take your time to add details. These poses help in understanding the human figures better, as there's a flow to these poses. Kathak is a prominent ancient Indian classical dance and is thought to have started from the wandering bards of North India known as Kathakaras, meaning storytellers. Our second character is in a pose where she is standing on one leg while both arms are in air, flowing freely. Use the lines for checking proportions and positioning of the pose as shown by us. Drawing a straight line helps in finding out how much the figure is bent from the straight, standing pose. This practice helps in building in a process of drawing figures in action. Now let's start with the details on the character. Draw the drapery and the ornaments on the body accordingly. Expressions are also an integral part of Kathak dance, so draw in the expression taking your time. And there we have it, some beautiful Kathak dance poses. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match ours, just keep on practicing, because practice makes perfect. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question, Pandit Birju Maharaj is a legendary Kathak dancer and choreographer from India, belonging to the illustrious lineage of the Kalkabin-Dating Gharana. Renowned for his unparalleled mastery of Kathak, he has received numerous accolades, including the Padma Vibhushan, India's second highest civilian award, for his contributions to Indian classical dance. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Want to enhance your skills more? Then don't forget to check our website CSMC Training to get advanced training. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.